Welcome back. I'm here on behalf of Jim Thomas and MaxMembers.ai. Before we dive into the data, a quick note for operators looking to grow. Unsecured funding options are currently available up to $500,000 through fmconsulting.net. Today, we are examining a significant retention risk that thrives on efficiency. In the effort to remove friction from the customer experience, many gyms have inadvertently created what Jim Thomas calls the silent member journey. This journey is characterized by total anonymity. A prospect signs up online, receives a digital barcode, and arrives at the gym. They walk past an empty front desk, complete their workout, and leave, eventually canceling their membership months later without ever having a meaningful conversation with your staff. From an operational standpoint, the system is working perfectly. Payments clear and the access gates open. However, this lack of interaction is a retention disaster. Without a personal connection to the staff or community, a member makes their decision to stay or leave based solely on price and convenience. To address this, we are deploying a 30-day framework designed to map out these silent gaps and reconfigure your technology. The goal is to use software alerts to trigger human connection, ensuring no membership remains completely anonymous. Step 1, covering days 1 through 5, begins with an experience audit. Walk through your entire business as if you were a new member who is hesitant to ask for help. You must document every single action a person can currently complete on their own. This list should start with the initial website visit and track every step through to the first workout. Most gyms have established this frictionless flow. A prospect signs up online, receives a digital pass, enters, and starts their workout. Your objective is to identify the gaps between these steps. Red markers represent missed opportunities for a welcome, orientation, or goal-setting conversation. If a member can complete this entire sequence in silence, your business model relies on the equipment alone. This makes you vulnerable to any competitor offering a lower monthly rate or a closer location. During days 6 through 10, you will establish Step 2, a non-negotiable contact schedule. This standard dictates exactly when your staff must engage with a member based on the duration of their membership. The timeline begins on day 1. This requires a first visit welcome to ensure the member is recognized by name. By day 7, the staff must conduct a comfort check to identify any uncertainty about the facility layout or classes. We continue the outreach at the 14-day mark. This momentum check reinforces the habit of attending. Finally, on day 30, the staff conducts a progress review to discuss initial results and suggest program adjustments. The final standard is an attendance decline intervention. This establishes a specific threshold, such as a member missing 3 consecutive scheduled workouts, that triggers an immediate outreach call from the staff. Implementing this schedule shifts the staff's role from passive observation to active engagement. It ensures that tracking check-ins is just the beginning of the service process, not the end of it. Step 3, covering days 11 through 20, involves configuring your gym management software. We want the technology to act as a prompt for the staff, rather than a replacement for them. Your dashboard should be set to generate internal tasks based on member behavior. When a new member scans in, it should trigger a first visit alert. When a visitation pattern changes, it must flag an attendance drop for the manager to review. This leads into Step 4, training your team to act on these alerts. The most common barrier to engagement is the assumption that a member wearing headphones does not want to be approached. As the illustration on the left shows, staff should never interrupt a member mid-set. Instead, look for natural opportunities before or after the workout, like the example on the right. Yes, a simple greeting by name at the water fountain or the exit can begin a long-term relationship. Technology is excellent at identifying the timing and the scale of the need. However, it requires a human to provide the empathy and judgment necessary to build a community. For the final 10 days of the plan, we overhaul the online cancellation process. The goal is to prevent members from disappearing without any form of feedback. Automated web cancellations sever the relationship without providing any data on why the member chose to leave. Without this information, a facility remains unaware of specific service failures or facility issues that may be driving members away. Your software workflow must change. Every online request should automatically generate a mandatory follow-up task for a manager to complete within 24 hours. The objective of this follow-up is to understand the true reason for the cancellation. This conversation allows the manager to gather feedback and offer alternatives, such as a temporary membership freeze for members facing scheduling or medical issues. Even when a membership cannot be saved, the exit data is critical. It provides the insights necessary to fix underlying operational issues before they affect the rest of your members. Completing this 30-day framework replaces the silent journey with a sequence of mandatory interactions. By the final week, the facility operates as a structured environment where staff are trained to recognize and assist every person walking through the door. Convenience is the tool that helps people join your gym. Connection is what gives them a reason to stay. If you need assistance auditing your member journey or securing funding for your facility, contact Jim Thomas directly. His team provides the expert consulting and management solutions needed to bridge the gap between technology and people. To automate the staff alerts and contact schedules we've discussed, we recommend using Gym Business Manager. It is designed to handle the data so your team can focus on the members. Stop treating your members like barcodes. Configure your systems to support your people and go build a community that lasts.